Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Terry's white chocolate orange no bake cheesecake. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to make the base, so grab yourself a food processor and place in your biscuits, blitz them until they are a fine crumb. It doesn't take very long, but you can also do this in a food safe bag with a rolling pin. Once you've got the consistency you like, you can then add in your melted butter and blitz until it's well coated. It should resemble wet sand. Once you've achieved that, you can then go ahead and place it into the bottom of an 8-inch cake tin. I like to use a push-up bottom, but feel free to use a springform pan as well. Just get all of your crumbs in there and start to spread it out, and then I like to use a cup measurement just to compact it down so it's a bit more firm and secure. To start on the cheesecake filling, grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into that bowl place all of your soft cheese followed by the icing sugar, then whisk together until they are very well combined. It should become lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. Then you can add in your vanilla extract and your melted Terry's white chocolate orange, and just get that in all in there, as much of it as possible, and whisk together until it's well incorporated. The mixture should change and become a bit thicker, and this is due to the chocolate being added. Then you can add in the final ingredient, which is the double cream. Get as much of it from the bowl as possible and just whisk it in until it's incorporated and the mixture has thickened enough to hold its own shape. If it hasn't achieved that, then just keep whisking. Then you can go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just a good way to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can go ahead and grab the base that you've made earlier on from the fridge and just start to add in your cheesecake filling. I like to scoop mine in, but feel free to scoop it all in directly from the bowl. Once you've got as much of the cheesecake mixture in there as possible, smooth and level out the top as best as you can, then place in the fridge overnight. Just before you want to serve, you'll want to do some cream for the cream topping, which is really simple. Into a bowl, add in your double cream, vanilla and icing sugar, and whisk together until they are very well combined and the cream holds its shape. You're not looking to take it any further than that, otherwise it'll have a granular mouthfeel. Then you can go ahead and grab your plate, board or stand, or whichever you're going to put the cheesecake onto, and move it from the tin onto the board. I try to get mine as central as possible. Then you can go ahead and start to pipe on the whipped cream that you made. Remember, once you put whipped cream into something, you've got 24 hours to eat it. Pipe your rosettes on, and on top of each rosette add a piece of Terry's white chocolate orange. Then you can also grate some for the middle, but it's really up to you. So here is what the cheesecake looks like once it's fully decorated and finished. You're good to go. You've got the different elements of the buttery biscuit base, the white chocolate orange cheesecake filling, whipped cream on top, and finish with a white chocolate orange segment. What more could you ask for? All clean layers. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description of a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media, so don't forget to go and check that out. And don't forget to check the previous day's Bakemas. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.